Today, we are diving into a topic that resonates deeply with entrepreneurs and anyone looking to up their productivity game. Leveraging the natural ebb and flow of our mental energy to max out productivity in every activity. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about how I make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to visit the first link, get registered and watch my free masterclass. And also, if in case you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So for more information, please stick to this video till the end, and for my favorite strategy, check out the first link in the description. Alright guys, now let's get back to today's topic. It's all about understanding and aligning with our brain's peak performance periods to make every hour count. Let's dive into how we can be productive even on autopilot. So in this video, we'll cover 5 key areas. Number 1 is understanding your brain's peak hours. We'll uncover how to identify the times of the day when you're most intellectually and creatively charged. Second one is task alignment strategy. Here we'll come to learn how to match the complexity of tasks with your peak and off-peak brain performance hours for optimal productivity. Third, personal insights. Here I'll share my personal schedule and how I pinpoint my prime hours for high-level tasks versus more routine or mundane activities. Fourth, creating your productivity plans. So I'll share few tips on documenting and analyzing your day to discover your own patterns of brain activity and energy levels. And fifth one is enhancing daily output. So we'll come across some practical strategies for allocating tasks effectively throughout your day based on your mental energy cycle. Alright guys, now let's jump into our first key point, that is understanding your brain's peak hours. Everyone has different times of the day when they are at their best. For some, it's early in the morning, while others hit their stride in the afternoon or in the evening. For me, I find that my brain is most active and creative early in the morning, usually between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is when I tackle my most challenging tasks like content creation and brainstorming new business strategies. And when it comes to task alignment strategy, it's crucial to match the complexity of tasks with our energy levels. Alright, so during my peak hours, I focus on high level tasks that require deep thinking and creativity. For example, in affiliate marketing, this might mean developing new content strategies or analyzing market trends to identify profitable niches. Now, let me share my personal insights. And here is how I structure my day. Morning hours are reserved for high priority tasks like planning my content and strategizing for affiliate marketing campaigns. By midday, my energy dips a bit, so I switch to routine tasks like checking emails, responding to comments, and updating social media accounts, and also working on my community. Now, creating your productivity plan is all about documenting and analyzing your day. Start by tracking your activities and energy levels for a week. Note when you feel most alert and when you tend to hit a slump. This will help you discover your own patterns of brain activity and energy levels. So you can create a planner by making use of canva.com. There are many planners available over there. Go and search for planner, then you will be coming across with many templates. Select one and create your own productivity plan. Alright. Finally, let's talk about enhancing daily outputs. Allocate this task effectively throughout your day based on your mental energy cycles. For example, if you are an affiliate marketer, use your peak hours for high value activities like creating engaging content or optimizing your website for better conversions. During your lower energy periods, handle less demanding tasks like data entry, checking your emails, working on social media, or replying to any comments on your community. So the concept isn't about working more hours. It's about working smarter by aligning our tasks with our natural cognitive rhythms. Whether you are creating content, brainstorming business strategies, or tackling routine support side duties, knowing when to do what can significantly boost your efficiency and effectiveness. Remember, not all hours are created equal. By tuning into your body's natural productivity cycles, we can achieve more with less strain, turning even our brainless movements into productive ones. Alright guys, now if you'd like to learn more about how I plan and how I make $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to visit the first link in the description and watch the free masterclass. And also, as I promised, there is a special bonus waiting for you. Okay, so as a special bonus, I'm offering a $2,488 worth bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle from the second link in the description. Okay, in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing courses, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with like-minded individuals. So I request you to please take action, and this is a golden opportunity for you. No one would be sharing all this information. VIP inner circle is premium if you go across with any other affiliate marketers, but for my 500 members, I'm giving absolutely for free. This is a brand new community, so log this chance to be into my VIP circle. Alright guys, so guys, how do you manage your daily tasks in alignment with your energy levels? Have you noticed patterns in your productivity throughout the day? Share your strategies, questions, or any tips you might have on maximizing productivity in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some are great, some are so-so, and remaining a complete waste of time. So if you're watching this video for the first time, as I said, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. Thanks for watching guys, and let's make the week incredibly productive. Have a great day.